Hi, what is the value of k? Given that you have k squared, k to the power of 2, minus k to the power of 3 equals 36. Then let's have it to the solution. We have k to the power of 2 minus k to the power of 3. We can have 36 as 9 plus 27. So now, from here we have to group this k to the power of 2 minus 9, again minus k to the power of 3 minus 27. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. So from here we have k to the power of 2. Let's have 9 in base 3 as 3 to the power of 2. Then minus k to the power of 3. Let's have 27 in base 3 as minus 3 to the power of 3. Then we set everything to be equal 0. So from here, let's group them in bracket as k to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2, all in parentheses. Then this one has minus, this one also has minus. Let us factor it out, open bracket, k to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3. We close the bracket, then let's set everything to be equal 0. So therefore here will be plus when you factor minus outside here. Then let us recall that when you have a squared minus b squared, you always have this to be equals, open bracket, a plus b, close the bracket, again multiply by a minus b, all in bracket. Likewise, when you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equals as a plus b, all in parentheses, multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared, all in parentheses, as this. So when you apply this one here, we are going to have this as k plus 3 for this, again multiply by k minus 3. Then we have minus outside. Then we have this one to be k plus 3. Then multiply by this will be k squared. Here will be our a is k, our b is 3. So we have here to be minus 3k. Then we have b, our b is 3. 3 squared will be plus 9. So from here we have k plus 3 in common. We can factor it out, and here will be k plus 3, all in parentheses, open bracket. The whole of everything here divided by this, we only have k minus 3. Then the whole of this thing divided by this, we only have minus, open bracket, k squared minus 3k plus 9. Then everything equals 0. So from here, we have k plus 3, all in parentheses. Again, here will be k minus 3. When you open the bracket with minus, here will be minus k squared. Here will be plus 3k minus 9. We close it, everything equals 0. Here we have k plus 3. We have to arrange this. Here will be minus k squared. So from here we have k plus 3k will give us plus 4k, minus 3 minus 9 will give us minus 12. Then we set everything to be equal 0. Then what are we trying to say here is that for this particular algebraic expression to be equal 0, is either we have k plus 3 equals 0, or we have minus k squared plus 4k minus 12 to be equal 0. And so therefore from here we have our first k to be equals minus 3. And likewise, we want to make sure that the coefficient of power 2 is positive when we multiply 2 by negative. So here will be k squared, here will be minus 4k, here will be plus 12, and everything equals 0. So to get the possible value of k for this, we can apply the quadratic formula that says k will be equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where we are going to have the parameter a as the coefficient of k square. A will be equals 1, while the parameter b is the coefficient of k, which is minus 4. B will be equals minus 4, while the parameter c is the constant of quadratic expression. C will be equals 12. So therefore from here we have k to be equals, b is already minus 4, and we have minus here will be 4, positive or negative, square root of minus 4, all in parentheses to the power of 2, minus 4 into the value of a is 1, while the value of c is 12. Then divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So from here we have k to be equals 4, positive or negative. Square root of this to the power 2 will be equals 16 minus 4 times this will give us 48. Then all divided by 2. So we have k to be equals 4, positive or negative. 16 minus 48 will give us minus 32, all divided by 2. So from here we have k to be equals 4, positive or negative, root of 32 multiplied by root of minus 1, all divided by 2. So from here we have k to be equals 4, positive or negative, root of 32 will give us 4 root 2, root of minus 1 will give us I. So everything divided by 2. From here we have k to be equals, divided through by 2, we have 4 divided by 2, positive or negative, 4 root 2i, then divided by 2. So we are going to have here to be k equals 2, positive or negative, 2 root 2i. So we have other complex solution to be equals. The first one is k equals minus 3. Then another k, 1 equals 2 plus 2 root 2i. Then we also have k2 to be equals 2 minus 2 root 2i. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.